Oh my god, it's so cute here.
Let's see.
Is it like a special type or?
Yeah, they just released it. I don't know how long they've been out for.
入社聯嘅 NGO 咧，即係部分小型或者未註冊團註冊機構咧，就佔60家，截至2017年嘅數據嚟嘅。
Oh my god, he's gonna fall over. Ah! Oh no, his eyes fell off. Ah, it's raining mud. Back home, I'll show you some of my favorite things to get from Costco if you're trying to eat healthy. Of course, the fresh foods. Cherry tomatoes, quick to prepare low-cal fruit. These chicken bites are really good. You just take them with you and each pack is $1.50 and they actually taste good. This is also a staple. Packs of poke. I eat them with shirataki noodles, so it's super low-cal and it's delicious. Recent pickup, keto bread. Still gives you the satisfaction of eating bread. Another fave. And trying cauliflower rice for the first time. Go get my 1-hour massage. I borrowed these 2 books, but I'm not going to read them yet because if you saw the book that I was reading earlier today, I'm going to finish that before I start these. But I think I've been reading relatively fast recently, so I just borrowed them first since I was in the area. The first one is, if you saw my last vlog, you might recognize this book. I was reading the first book in this trilogy, The Book of Coley, and this is the second book, The Trials of Coley. I took a break in between because right now I'm reading Babylonia, and then the second book that I borrowed is Gallant by V.E. Schwab. The author has the other book, I forget if it's called Vicious or something, but I think originally I was interested in that, or I still am, but the cover looks cool, so I thought I would read this one after as well. But yeah, those are the books that I borrowed. I was browsing Indigo, which is like a bookstore. They had like this section with a bunch of books, mostly like classics that were 3 for $10, and they have pretty cool covers. So these are the 3 that I picked. If you know me, they're pretty on brand. First one I got is The War of the Worlds, just sci-fi, which I love sci-fi. So I also got Brave New World. I think it's also sci-fi. And then lastly I got Crime and Punishment, which I also like crime stuff. So yeah, I'd say like they're all kind of like sci-fi, human, psychological type stories. I've never read any of them, but these are 3 that I picked up for $10.